Hello everyone, let's see how to make delicious mango tarts. These require just few simple ingredients and are super easy to make. Take 1/4 cup milk, add 2 tablespoons custard powder, mix well until there are no lumps. Now make puree of 1 cup chopped mango. Take 1 cup full cream milk and bring it to boil. Add 1/4 cup sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Keep the heat low throughout the process. Add in the prepared custard mixture. Stir quickly to avoid formation of lumps. Add in the mango puree. Stir until well combined. Use a hand whisk as it makes it easier to blend the mixture. Cook on low heat until the mixture thickens and let it cool completely. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours or until it sets and becomes nice and chilled. Give a quick stir. Take the tart shells and fill with the prepared mango custard. Enjoyed the recipe so far? Quickly hit the like button and subscribe to support my channel. Also click on the notification bell and select all to stay updated on my upcoming videos. Top with small mango pieces. Serve the mango tarts immediately. Do try this creamy yummy mango dessert and share your feedback in the comments section.